Okay, here we have a problem from section 8.3. First of all, we're testing the claim that smartphones have a mean less than 5 Mbps. Conduct hypothesis testing using the results. Use a 0.05 significance level. Okay, first identify the null and the alternative hypotheses, the test statistic, the p-value. Okay, so it says less than 5, so the null hypothesis always has the equal sign, so mu is equal to 5, and the alternative hypothesis is the claim in this case, and that would be less than 5, so D would be the correct choice. Now it says here to identify the test statistic. Well, they want us to look at the display from technology. So you got to click on this icon, and this is your display from technology, and that really gives you everything that you need to know. The test statistic is, in this case, T, and here the test statistic would be negative 0.29, 2 decimal places, 29. Excellent, correct. So T again represents the test statistic right below the claim. Then P is your p-value, so we identify the p-value 0.0385. We're rounding to 3 decimal places, so 0.385. Press enter. Good job. And now we have to state the final conclusion that addresses the original claim. So now, to state the final conclusion, we have to compare the p-value with alpha. Alpha in this case is 0.05, the p-value is 0.385. So here we have a p-value that is greater than alpha. That means we fail to reject the null hypotheses. There's not sufficient evidence to support the claim that the sample is from a population with a mean less than 5. Check our answer. Excellent. Here you go. So again, if alpha, or if the p-value is greater than alpha, then we fail to reject the null hypotheses. If the p-value is less or equal to alpha, then we have to reject the null hypotheses. And that's the end of this problem.